today's class. Today we'll be doing jumping jacks. Do you know what a jumping jack is? You know that exercise where you jump up and down and your arms go up and down? Well, we won't be doing those. We are going to make craft jumping jacks. So why am I bringing up the exercise jumping jacks? I'm going to tell you. It's because today we are not just going to craft, we are going to mix in some science. Now, the science we're going to talk about is Newton's third law, also called the law of motion. Do you know what it is? I'll tell you. It says, for every action, there's an equal or opposite reaction. So if you're doing your jumping jacks or star jumps, as your feet pushes down, you are propelled upwards in an opposite direction, but with equal force. And now the rockets we're going to make today, or the jumping jacks we're going to make, works on the same principle. It uses the same law. And I'm going to show you how we do it. What do we need? First off, you need the cardboard inner from paper towels. If you got the small one from toilet paper rolls, it's fine. They work just as well. You need an eraser, scissors, a strong balloon, a nice and thick, strong balloon, duct tape, and some colored paper. I've got these lovely bright neon papers, some craft board or cardstock, some cookies. I've got the indicator, which I think is for mommies to use, or if your kiddies are old enough, just not unsupervised. So these are pretty sharp. Trust me, I know. Pipe cleaners, some crayons, and my ever-present stickers. I love stickers. Now the most important bit is your tube, your balloon, and your duct tape. This is what we're going to use to make our jumping jack jump. I'm going to show you. First, you take your balloon and you cut it off near the end. Around there. And then that goes over the one end of your cylinder. This is a little tricky, so try it, and if you don't come right, get mommy or someone to help. And you need to pull this over as tight as possible. Next up, duct tape. If you don't have duct tape, you can use that thick, clear packing tape or any strong tape that you've got lying around the house, but it needs to be strong tape. Something like masking tape won't work. So you need something nice and strong. So this goes around the edge to secure your balloon in place. All the way around and cut it off. So this is our jump mechanism, and this is the most important part. Once you've got this done, we can do the fun part, which is the decorating. So I've already made one. I've decided to make a crazy clown jumping jack. So to make this one, there's my jump mechanism. I drew on a face with crayons. I stuck in some arms that I made with pipe cleaners and stickers. All you do is you make a hole in the side and you stick them in. I've got some googly eyes on there, and this is crazy clown hair that you can take off. All I did is made slits into my roll, and you just slide in your hair like that. So you can do a little clown or a kangaroo or a tiger or a chicken or a unicorn. Anything like that. This one, I want to make a proper rocket. So first off, what do we need to make a rocket? I think a cone on top. So I'm going to use my bright color paper, and I've got a plastic normal bowl, and I'm just going to use this with a marker to draw a circle. circle. Right, there's my circle. I'm going to cut it out quickly. All the way around. I'm going to use this to make a nose cone for my rocket. And then down the middle of my circle, I want to make a slit. All the way straight to the middle like that. So it's going to look something like that. Oh, take my glue stick, put glue on the one end, just the one end. You don't need to glue all the way around. And then pull it over like that to make my cone. The more you pull it, the smaller but sharper your cone will be. Ta-da! And there is my nose cone. Now this I'm going to secure on top of my rocket with some craft glue. All the way around. Oh, my craft glue is... Don't you hate it when this happens? Okay, I'm just going to use my glue stick. That should be fine. All the way around. Add some glue. You can obviously use a glue gun if you've got. But as long as it's secure. There you go. There's the start of my rocket. So what else does a rocket need? Some fins to keep it stable along the side. So this is my scrap cardboard. I don't throw anything away. So what I've done, I've folded a piece like that and I've drawn a triangle. So I'm going to cut out my triangle. Like that. And then I'm just going to cut it down the middle. So I've got two smaller ones. Like that. So these will be my stabilizing fins. To get them on, I'm going to make a slit down the one side of my rocket with my inti cutter. So once again, you can do this yourself, or mommy can do this, but please be careful because these things are really, really sharp. Just measure it, see if it's big enough. Okay, a little bit more. Come on. There you go. And on the opposite side, you're going to do another one. All the way down. Please be careful. Please, 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 please. These things are horribly sharp. Close it and lock it. So, your fins, you're just going to push it into the slot on the side. Get it nice and deep so they don't fall out. There you go. There you go. So obviously you don't want to cut into your balloon or your duct tape. So do it above that. Right. But I think my rocket is looking a little boring. What do you think? I think we should put some stickers. Now, from here on, you can decorate it whichever way you want. The only thing I would not recommend is painting it because you don't want your cylinder to become wet and soft and soggy. So go with your markers, put some colored paper on there, put some colored stickers on there, color in with crayons, but not paint, please. So I'm going to do stickers. I love stickers and I always have some stickers on hand. Do orange, and I'm going to do yellow on this side. Do yellow, another yellow, and I think we need some purple and green on the wings. Oopsie daisy. Purple, some green. My favorite color in the whole world is green. What is yours? My brother's favorite color used to be orange, which I never understood, but I guess orange aren't that bad. So you should drop me a WhatsApp or an email sometime and let me know what your favorite color is. I'm always curious to find out what colors people like and why. Okay, I'm almost done here. I'm just going to add some orange. Oops. And some more on this side. Because you can't have enough color, you can't have too much color, I think. Okay, so there is my rocket. Now, if you've got the smaller one, the toilet roll holders, you can make what I call a little pocket rocket. Small little ones like these. I love them, they are so cute. So these are 3 I made earlier on. These are just normal toilet roll holders, the inside. You can always take 2 of these, tape them together to make a bigger one. You can even put 3 together to make an even bigger rocket if you want. But these little ones are perfect. Now, let's see if they fly. I mean, that's the only reason we are here, right? We want to see if these things fly. Okay, I'm going to start with the small ones. Now, this is where Newton's law come in. I'm going to take my eraser, put it down on a flat surface. You can use an eraser or a wine cork, anything small, anything that will fit inside your little rocket. So the eraser is a perfect size. Put it down. So what you're going to do is your flat side of your balloon, you're going to push it over and push it down. So what did Newton's law say? For every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. So we're going to push down with our little balloon on this, and you're going to let it go. Woo! They really do fly. So, and there was a reaction in opposite direction with equal force, and that's why it flew. You can also use your finger. You can just gonna press it down on your little balloon, hold it lightly, press it down, and let it go. Let's see if the big ones fly. What do you say? Once again, hold it lightly, press it down, and woo! I need to stop doing that because I'm breaking things. But this is so much fun. Last one before we go. I'm going to take one of my little pocket rockets on my eraser, press it down all the way, and there it goes. All right, these are good for a couple of tries, so you can fly them over and over again. Thank you so much for watching. I love this craft. And thank you for learning. This is my first Sciency Craft video. So thank you for learning with Canvas Lab today. And I hope you have a gorgeous day and I hope you have lots of fun. If there's anything, as usual, drop me a comment or an email or a WhatsApp. And subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos. Bye-bye.